just got back from the races. We're gonna go down the street. Hudson's gonna show us his secret fishing spot. So go see what we got down here.
Gotcha.
So yeah, anyway, we just saw that.
Okay, well, y'all can fish a little bit, but just, you know,
we get it.
Other people will say something.
All right, so, yeah, I got it.
Cool.
Yeah. No, I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
We've only been,
What's y'all's name?
I'm Brian Deegan.
Brian?
Yeah.
1 hour later.
I'm on a good one. I'm on a good one. I'm on a good bass. Johnny, I'm on a good one. I'm on a good one. Oh, I'm on a good one. Yeah! Dude, look at this thing. It went through this lip and went out the other. This thing was a fighter, dude. Let's go weigh him. My scale.
Here, no. What's your guess on weight?
I'm probably like a pound and probably 1 flat.
Let me go 2.
It's 7.8.
No, it's not.
0.78.
Okay.
This sucker's tiny, dude.
See, what's cool about Florida, this is all private lake. You have to go through a gate to get here. And the gate was open, so we just rolled in. And the guy rolls up, he's like, hey, what's up, man? I said, we're just fishing. And he's like, oh yeah, he's like, this is all private property in here. I said, that's cool. I go, yeah, we just bought a house down the street. He's like, oh, because then he kind of knows we're not just randoms. And so he was like, I mentioned my brother's name. He just happened to know my brother, John. I was like, cool. So he's like, here's my number. Hit me up if you need anything in town. That's what's cool about a small town. It's like, it wasn't like, hey, dude, get out of here. It was like, oh, yeah, hey, here's my number. If you need anything, give me a call. I'm like, cool. That's what I'm talking about. That's the difference. The water's actually pretty clean in here. It's like a stiff worm that's not, I don't know if that's going to catch anything. I think I need like the frog popper deal. It looks like there's a little moss on the bottom. Might want to go riding tomorrow while I'm home for a little bit, but I don't know. Just got back from King of the Hammers, went to Supercross, now going to a snowmobile trip.
In a matter of 3 casts, I caught 2 fish, but the other one fell off right before I got into it.
Really? I don't know.
Dad catches a fish on that thing, dude, that pulls in the snap. See what this? It's called a paddle tail. Dad? This little tail shakes like a fish in the water. And the fish just smoked this thing.